93% of people are using their brain wrong, and it's why they stay trapped in overthinking. The other 7% know a simple tool that rewires the mind in minutes. Which side are you on? This video is for educational purposes only. Your brain is not broken, but it often behaves like a computer running too many tabs at once. Overthinking. We all do it, and it feels endless. But what if I told you there's a proven science-backed technique that could quiet those racing thoughts in under 5 minutes? Today, I'll share the exact CBT tool that psychologists teach their clients, presented in a way you can actually use right now. Have you ever replayed that one awkward conversation for hours, or worried endlessly about something that never even happened? You know the pattern. You're lying in bed at night, mind buzzing. You're not solving problems, but your brain is spinning like a hamster wheel. And the harder you try to stop thinking, the louder the thoughts get. The truth is, overthinking isn't a personality trait, it's a habit. And habits can be rewired. Neuroscience shows us that repetitive thought patterns actually carve grooves in the brain. Think of it like hiking trails. Walk the same path enough times and it becomes automatic. This is why your mind jumps to worry without permission. But here's the good news. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, gives us the tools to cut new trails. You don't erase old paths, you simply train your brain to choose better ones. Lesson 1. The Thought Record. Lesson 1 is called the thought record. Imagine pulling your thoughts out of your head and pinning them down, like capturing fireflies in a jar. Step 1. Identify the thought. What's the sentence looping in your mind? Maybe it's, I'm going to mess up tomorrow's meeting. Step 2. Challenge it. Ask, is there solid evidence or am I predicting the future? Step 3. Reframe. A healthier version might be, I've prepared well. Nervousness is natural, but it doesn't equal failure. This is your mental fact check. And on paper, the cycle of worry loses power. Ride along with me as you watch this. Don't just listen. Lesson 2. The 5-minute timer technique. Lesson 2 is deceptively simple. Set a timer for 5 minutes. Give yourself permission to overthink, but only within that box of time. Brainstorm every possible worry. Dump them onto paper. No filter. When the timer rings, stop writing. Close the notebook. Shift places. Literally move your body. This works because you're turning vague mental noise into concrete, contained words. Instead of thoughts controlling you, you've contained them, like storing energetic kids in a playroom. When the time is up, you get your mental living room back. Lesson 3, the traffic light analogy. Overthinking often sneaks up during the day about work, relationships, or even what coffee to order. Here's an analogy. Red light, stop. Notice the thought loop. Yellow light, question. Is this thought helpful or just noise? Green light, go. Replace it, redirect focus, or act. CBT turns you into a traffic officer for your mind. Instead of being bumper to bumper in mental traffic, you're calmly directing the flow. Lesson 4, breaking the worry habit loop. Psychologists describe worry as a cycle of avoidance. You worry because it tricks you into believing you're solving something, but really you're avoiding uncertainty. Fact, studies show tolerating uncertainty reduces anxiety long-term. Step, practicing out loud. I can't control everything, and that's okay. Over time, this plants seeds of acceptance. Just like resisting junk food cravings builds discipline, resisting mental loops builds freedom. Think about this. You are not your thoughts. You are the one observing them. That space, the gap between you and your thoughts, is freedom. Overthinking doesn't mean you're weak. It means your brain is working overtime to protect you. You can thank it and then gently take back the steering wheel. Imagine being able to switch off the noise, to approach challenges with clarity, decisions with calm, and nights with real sleep. This isn't a fantasy. Your brain is adaptable. And every time you use CBT tools, you're rewiring it to serve you, not control you. Overthinking no longer has to be your story. You just learned in minutes what most people never discover in a lifetime. These aren't just techniques. They're your ticket to mental freedom. But here's what separates the 7% from everyone else. They actually use these tools. Not tomorrow, not when they have time. They start now. So, here's my challenge to you. Before you click away, pick one technique from this video. Just one. Maybe it's the thought record. Maybe it's the 5-minute timer. Doesn't matter which. What matters is that you commit to using it today. Then, come back here and comment which technique you chose. Type, I chose technique name, and I'm starting today. This isn't just a comment, it's a commitment to yourself. And when you declare it publicly, your brain takes it seriously. If this video helps you, you probably know someone else who's drowning in overthinking. Share this with them. Be the reason they finally find peace. Sometimes one video, one technique, one moment of clarity can change everything. And if you want more life-changing CBT techniques delivered straight to your feed, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell.
Because next week, I'm revealing the #1 mistake people make when fighting anxiety, and the simple mindset shift that changes everything.
Remember, your thoughts have been in the driver's seat long enough. It's time for you to take the wheel. The overthinking stops now. Your new life starts today. Make sure to subscribe for more science-backed techniques to master your mind. Because small changes practiced consistently lead to massive transformations. Welcome to the 7% Club. Your calm, clear mind is waiting.
Coming next, one CBT hack to calm racing thoughts instantly. It really works.